Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have a short video about one of my favorite watches, the AE1200 World Timer Casino Royale. And this is my SKX bronze case mod. Um, Actually, it has a little bit different modding than usual, as you can see. Also, we have different color of the like a screen. So I thought I'd get myself a stainless steel case and get myself another AE1200 and yeah, try to make it a little bit different. I thought I'd take out this 10-year battery, this water resistant 100 meters, and the 5 alarms and leave the Casio. So we have a little bit of a different look than mine. And also, I got a screen cover. I was thinking to put it upside down inside the screen. Sorry, screen, I'm saying. Inside the dial, inside, behind the glass, and make some kind of coloring on this, let's say, seconds counter here. So I'll try to, let's say, pause and show you some parts of the modding. But yeah, that's about it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about it. I'll try to also articulate what I'm doing while doing it. Sometimes I would be just going totally in it. That's 1.5. That's the one that came with it, but I have better screwdrivers that I can use also. But yeah, let's get down to business. So I'll start by taking these screws off here. So we have 4 screws. Different length than the screws that came with the case mod. So I'll keep them on the side. So we have the case back, and this is the rubber, and then we can just wiggle this one out. So we have it here. So the idea is to get this nail polish remover, which is this one, and try to, let's say, remove these numbers or text from the side. Try to dry it out as much as possible. Don't want to get a lot of liquid, even though it just evaporates. So let's start with this one. Yes, it does work. It does actually work. That's awesome. You can try it out. And this 5 alarm. I'm trying to get all the text out without getting the 60 a bit harder than the other one. Let's just say I'm trying to be as careful as possible, as this is an experiment I'm doing, so I don't want to snatch it up quite badly, but it's actually working quite nicely. Just try to get all this white smudge off. So that's how it looks. Try to clean it up. I'll pause here. So I took it off as much as I could. Now it's time to put it in the case. So just wiggle it in. You can make sure before it closed that all the buttons press. So everything is working, and we'll put case back again on. So these are the other screws. As you can see, it's a bit off somehow. Yeah, it is off because this doesn't sit quite right. Yeah, now it sits quite right. Then this module inside looks good. We have to put in the water resistant seal. So here we go. Take it from the back and basically put it inside. And case back goes inside. Oops, sorry about that. So here we go, the case back, and it fits everything. Start putting each screw. Oh, thank God it didn't jump too much. Maybe with hand is easier. Okay, first one, then second screw. Third screw. Side. Bit harder to work with the gloves, but you are sure that you won't leave any smudges or any kind of let's say fingerprints on the inside of the watch. It's much harder to put like screws and these stuff with these gloves, in my opinion. Yeah, just take it off because it's pretty almost finished now. You just have to make sure all the screws are closed. It feels like it's closed, but it's not sitting flush, in my opinion. Okay. Let's stick these stickers. And the last one is this one. Sorry if I'm not communicating enough, but it's trying to look for the correct way to take these stickers off, which are really annoying, to be honest. Yes. So here we go. Now we have the newly modified Casio AE1200 Casino Royale. Here we go. That's the old case. That's the new case. I feel like this rubber gasket is much better from the old one. I'm thinking about just opening it and putting the old rubber gasket, but that's maybe for another time. So I got the strap that also looks good on it. They even sent me one of these tools, but I already have mine, so I don't mind using my version. So here we go. First strap and the second strap, because I think with the metal case, this watch looks much better on a leather strap like this one. So now I have two of the same watch with a totally different look. As you can see, we have the Casio here, the world water resistant 100 meters. Maybe I'll even delete this one because the other one doesn't seem so bad. So I'll try to remove also this water resistant 100 meters. Anyways, that's about it for this video. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like, also subscribe, and let me know in the comment section which one you like more. This one with the sterile, a bit sterile dial and the steel case, or this SKX bronze one. Anyways, see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.